Alright, guess what I stepped on? Banana. And here's Ozzy. Finally. I think it's better that we're flying earlier instead of later. More time during the day. Ready to fly?
Yeah?
No?
We're gonna fly with people? And...
No. You're gonna. Did you get approved? Oh!
This happened last time too. It like.
Oh, he got denied. He got denied. Hey, he got approved. Yeah, you can fly now. Yeah. Bag within the bag.
See, there's a purpose.
I guess so. I guess so.
You have an extra?
No.
I got an extra.
Wow, must be nice. All right, it's all you now. Oh, I see it. I see it. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Hold on, because I can. There it is. Wow, look at that. Look at that little guy. Hey, we finished flying the drone, and now we're heading home.
We don't have to wait for parking though.
That's true. Everyone's gonna take our spot. All right, see you guys. Bye.